So I'm starting off this video in the office. I'm doing soldering right now, and I really don't want to have to do the soldering tomorrow and Saturday outside, so I'm just gonna do it here now. Welcome everyone to the day where we actually replaced the stereo. I don't have the stereo with me right now. It's actually inside the house, but you know, I just don't feel like bringing it out here right now. But that one has a USB port coming from the back, but they have an extension coming from the front that can lead up to the front. And so I'm going to make a hole in this and put the USB port in here. And there's also a microphone. I'm gonna feed that under the dash, probably zip tie it here, lead it up through here, and then put the microphone up here or in the middle. And yeah, that's pretty much the plan, so let's get to it. So unfortunately, my camera isn't very good at being a camera when the battery's dead. I know, every video I make, the battery's been dead at least once or twice, and it's really annoying me as well. I don't know what to do about it besides just leave it plugged in, try to try to get like an extension cord or something, and it's running low again. Fuck you. The radio's in place. I'm just putting the screws in, and before we do anything, I'm gonna put the battery back together and test it. Make sure it'll actually power on and stuff, so yeah. Check that out. Oh yeah. Pretty cool. I got one thing left to do, and that is drill a hole in this to feed the USB port through. That's the USB port right there. This is the extension that comes from the back. Which honestly, even though it's a pain in the ass to have this USB port back here, it just makes this display so much cleaner. Like, imagine if the USB port was here. Then I'd have a cable going all the way down here to wherever I put my phone, usually there. But now I can just have a cable right here. It's awesome. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alrighty, so I had to charge the battery for quite some time, so I was unable to film a lot of putting stuff back together, but who cares? It's pretty straightforward. I also mounted the USB port there, as you can see. Yeah, it doesn't look perfect, but that wasn't what I was going for. I wasn't going for looking good, I was going for function, and it functions excellent. So yeah, the interior looks way better now. It's way more modern. I can finally actually hook up my phone here and play music. This stereo has Apple CarPlay. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. I do apologize if it wasn't the best. It's one of those things where it's just, the camera sometimes just dies because low battery and shit. But hopefully the next video will be better, and hopefully the next video is the video where we actually paint the bumpers. Hooray. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to go ahead and leave a like, and also leave some comments in the comment section below. What do you think of this whole thing? Do you like it? Do you hate it? I don't really care. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new. And as always, peace.